Hi, I'm Feline, Product Manager on Google Play, and I'm here to recap the top 3 things you should know from this year's Google I/O. Number 1. Custom store listings have gotten a major update, giving you new ways to make a great first impression. You can now add unique deep links to each custom store listing, see detailed analytics, and create up to 50 custom store listings instead of just 5. Remember, you can run up to 5 experiments per listing, so the opportunities for optimization are huge. Number 2. We're welcoming more developers to our LiveOps beta. LiveOps cards are self-service merchandising units in the Play Store that promote limited time events, offers, and major updates for your game or app. Developers in our beta can submit content to help inspire installs, increase engagement, and drive sales. You can learn more at g.co/play/liveopsbeta. Number 3. We launched new subscription capabilities, making it even easier to sell your subscriptions on Google Play. For each subscription, you can now configure multiple base plans and offers without needing to manage a huge number of SKUs. Plus, you can now sell prepaid plans that give users access for a fixed amount of time. That was just 3 launches from a whole bunch of great updates to help you grow and thrive with Play. Be sure to catch the full playlist on Google Play from I/O in the video description.